What's up, guys? Dr. Code Hub here. Welcome to our channel. Yes, this is me. So you're very welcome here. And today we're gonna have our first video class of the Java for Beginners course. The first question you might have is, what is Java? And if I go ahead and tell you that Java is a high-level object, blah, 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 you're not gonna learn anything. So keep something in mind. Java is a language, okay? But a different kind of language because Java is a programming language. So, what do I mean is the only difference between Java and English, for example, is English you use to communicate between each other, and Java you use to communicate with computers, machines, devices. Okay? So that's the big difference between a regular language and a programming language. Programming languages are used to communicate to machines, devices, and computers. Okay? This principle is very, very important, and you should take notes. Why learn Java? So, you probably know the answer for this question because now you know that Java is a language, programming language, and programming languages are used to communicate to machines, devices, computers. So, if you need to communicate to a computer, a device, or a machine, you should know Java and you should know how to program in Java. Okay? And more than that, um, nowadays Java is one of the most popular programming languages. So if you're looking for a job, if you're looking to build something, software, an application, you will probably use Java. So here are some key features of Java that I'm gonna teach you later on, but are very important. That's why they're here. Um, and then where is Java used? So Android apps, banking and financial systems, enterprise resource planning, the famous ERP, web applications and cloud computing, game development. And here are the tools that we're going to use for this course. I'll teach you how to download and install all these applications here. Okay, go ahead and Google and type JDK 17. Go ahead on Oracle website, and then you see here the Linux version of it, the Mac OS version of it, and Windows version of it. Just pick the one that fits for you, okay? And then download and follow the download steps by clicking like next. Yeah. So after you download and install JDK, you have to go to IntelliJ. Okay. Download. The same here. Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay. Just pick the one that fits for you, and then download and follow the steps, which is very easy. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we have IntelliJ installed in our computers. Um, so let's go ahead and click New Project, and then let's change the name for First Class. Oh, first day. Okay, first day. Oh, sorry, first day. Okay. Um, Make sure you have the first letter of each word in uppercase, just because it's going to be easier to find your file, and there are other things about it that I'm gonna explain you later, not now, because you need to gain more knowledge before you understand that. The location is going to be the default. I'm not gonna change it. If you want, you can change it. Okay, just by clicking here, and then you can choose the folder you want to save it. Okay. The checkbox you don't have to check because it's going to be something I'm gonna teach you later as well. It's about GitHub, which is so good. GitHub is amazing, but we're not gonna use it now, so we're good for now. Build system IntelliJ, okay, and JDK. Make sure you have the 17 version installed in your computer, and go ahead and click create. Okay, so we have lines, and by using this system, we can identify if we get any error in our program, um, and that's why I really like the lines they created for us. Okay, so here we have public class first day. So the word public, we call it as a keyword actually. The keyword public means that this class is accessible from anywhere in our program. Okay, so public. And the word class means that it's basically we're telling Java that we're about to define a new class. And the new class is called first day. Okay. Um, so the curly brackets are where we put um our let's say if you have a pizza, and the curly brackets are the border of the pizza, and inside you're gonna put the toppings. Okay, so the topping of our class is going to be the following. Um, Bob. Oh, sorry. Public. Yeah, public static void main string. Make sure your string keyword has the uppercase here. Okay. Um, so public, the keyword public again, same meaning. Okay. That means this method can be accessed from anywhere. Uh, and then static means this method belongs to the class itself, not to an object. Okay. And then void, this means this method doesn't return any value. It simply runs code inside and it inside it and finishes. Okay. The word main, this is the name of the method. This method here. Okay, this is the name. So the strings, all of this here is the parameter. The parameter string means an array of strings. Okay, and args is the name of the array. Okay. And then here we have another body. We have the method body. Okay, so keep it in mind. Curly brackets are the border of our pizza, and everything is inside is a topping. Okay, and then let's go ahead and type the next line, line 3. So we're gonna type system, okay, dot out dot print hello world. So here we have new keywords, okay? System, a built-in Java class in the java.lang package, okay? Uh, Summarizing, we're calling the system to do something for us, okay? So, hey, system, and then out, meaning a static member object of the system class, and print to it is a method of the out object, okay? So basically here we are telling the system to, hey system, print the following phrase or characters, whatever. And then here we have hello world. It is a literal string, right? Something important here is the semicolon. Semicolons are, so every Java statement ends with a semicolon, okay? So, and now I closed the method and then I closed the class, okay? Now let's go ahead and hit this button. Look, hello world. So yeah, this is the response from the system, which is great. You know, you start here telling the system what you want to see and what the system should give you as a response, as a return, and then you have the return here. Let's say I want to change it and I want to change the phrase, or and I want to put this is our first day, okay? And then run it again. This is our first day, okay? All right, that wraps up our first class. Today you learned what Java is, how to set up your development environment, and we wrote your very first Java program together, the classic Hello World. Um, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel right here below. That way you won't miss our next lessons where we will start diving into fundamentals of programming in Java. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Bye.